Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G gives you the power to keep tasks moving with precision and the first ever S Pen made specifically for a foldable phone. Edge-to-edge viewing and innovative under-display camera means zero distractions. Designed to last with a stronger display, aluminum frame, and water resistance. 120Hz refresh rate for smooth gameplay on a large 7.6-inch screen. A workspace, a theater, and a game room folded into your pocket. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G.
The impressive quad camera system makes it easy to capture you and your surroundings in the best light. Expandable storage lets you take your music and movies with you whether you're online or off. The Samsung